Imagine a vast, unexplored cosmos filled with countless stars and galaxies, each holding mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Now shrink that image down to a size so small it's invisible to the naked eye. A world hidden from our everyday view. That's the world of cells, the fundamental building blocks of all living things, the very essence of life itself. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, life as we know it is composed of these microscopic units, each a bustling metropolis of activity, teeming with life. Welcome to Cell Biology 101, where we'll embark on a journey into this hidden universe, a realm of incredible complexity and beauty. We'll explore the intricate structures and functions of these tiny worlds, revealing the elegance and complexity that make life possible, from the simplest processes to the most sophisticated mechanisms. Just as stars and galaxies populate the cosmos, a diverse array of structures exists within each cell, each with its own crucial role, working in harmony to sustain life. Get ready to explore the wonders of the cell, a universe in miniature, where every component plays a part in the grand symphony of life. At the heart of this cellular metropolis lies the nucleus, a spherical structure that serves as the command center of the cell. It is often referred to as the brain of the cell due to its crucial role in regulating cellular activities. This analogy is apt, as the nucleus houses the cell's genetic material, DNA, which is essential for the cell's function and reproduction. These long, twisted strands, resembling microscopic ladders, contain the blueprints for life, guiding the cell in its various processes. The DNA within the nucleus holds the instructions for building and maintaining the entire organism, from the simplest cellular functions to the most complex systems. This genetic information determines traits like eye color, height, and even susceptibility to certain diseases, influencing every aspect of an organism's development. Think of the nucleus as a vast library containing countless volumes of information, each page a gene encoding a specific characteristic or function, ensuring the cell operates smoothly and efficiently. Surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm, a gel-like substance that fills the cell. This is where the action happens. Similar to a bustling city, the cytoplasm is a hive of activity, with various organelles working tirelessly to carry out the cell's functions. Within this bustling environment, molecules are transported, energy is converted, and waste is disposed of. Imagine the cytoplasm as the city streets, transportation systems, and power grids, all working in concert to keep the cell functioning smoothly. Section 4. The cell membrane. Guardian of the cellular frontier. Encasing the cell and separating it from its surroundings is the cell membrane, a vital structure in cellular biology. This thin, flexible barrier acts as a gatekeeper, controlling what enters and exits the cell, ensuring only the right substances pass through. Think of it as a country's border, regulating the flow of goods and people, maintaining order and security. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it allows some substances to pass through while blocking others, much like a filter. This selectivity is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment and ensuring its survival, a process known as homeostasis. Essential nutrients are allowed in, providing the cell with what it needs to function, while harmful toxins are kept out, protecting the cell from damage. Section 5. Ribosomes, the protein assembly lines. Within the cytoplasm, we find ribosomes, small granular structures that play a vital role in protein synthesis. These tiny workhorses are like cellular assembly lines, reading the genetic instructions from the DNA and using them to build the proteins that carry out a vast array of functions. Proteins are the building blocks and workhorses of the cell, responsible for everything from transporting molecules to catalyzing chemical reactions. Imagine ribosomes as skilled laborers, diligently assembling proteins according to the blueprints provided by the DNA. Section 6. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. No city can function without energy, and the same goes for cells. This is where mitochondria come in. These bean-shaped organelles are the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for producing ATP, the cell's primary energy currency. Through a process called cellular respiration, mitochondria break down glucose and other fuel sources, releasing energy that is used to power cellular activities. Think of mitochondria as tiny power plants constantly generating the energy needed to keep the lights on and the city running.